Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I just got this today, and I posted it in the community section on my channel, and I know you guys have been waiting for this one. So, here it is. It's a nice Memorex 16654, or you can say model 800. I think that's what I think you could say that as well. And very good. Memorex did not make this. I know the original manufacturer. You won't believe it. The last ever company I thought would make an 8mm deck. The last VCR company that ceased production. It's Funai. I'm very surprised it is. And I actually, a long time ago, got one of these myself. I didn't find this at Savers or anything. I found this on an eBay and won an auction because it was selling for cheap. And so I didn't buy this at Savers or anything like that. So, and it was unlisted. It was listed for parts not working. He was actually kind of right. I had to do only one thing to this actually. This loading belt right here was slipping, so I had to replace that. And also, I'm the first one to show the insides of a Funai made 8mm deck. But you know, it's Memorex branded. So, anyway, let's take a look at the inside and see how well it's actually built. Because, you know, Funai has been known to make terrible, VHS decks. But on these, I say it's pretty well built. I think they did a pretty good job of manufacturing this, actually. Fortunately, you can't really see a lot going on over there. I mean, I can try and show you the loading mechanism in action and all that. And, mold switch is going to be extremely hard to clean, if anything. Because first, it's not one of those easy mold switches that you can just clean. It's one of those, ones that you cannot take apart. But those don't normally go bad on these, I think. So, I had this before, and, when I got the other one, it did not power on. So I had to, replace all the power supply capacitors, and it still did not work because, some of the capacitors were leaking, and once I was unsoldering them, it ate away, the solder pads, so, it was not able to, work anymore, unfortunately. So, that one couldn't be saved, but this one, a different story. Now, I haven't tested the video yet. Tested the mechanism, and this one has very good. Looks like the caps are very good in this one still. I mean, it's just nice and bright. Look at this. Oh, when you turn it on, the carriage motor turns a little bit. That's cool. How does it work? Let's take a look. It's pretty cool. I know you guys have been waiting. So this is a high 8 tape. This is not a high 8 deck, but this should work. At least for the mechanism to work. So let's put the tape in. Loads like a Betamax. You can't really see the tape moving because of this thing, but it is moving. Let's see if I can maybe, there we go. We can see it a little better now. It's moving. Loads just like a, well, I wouldn't say exactly like a Betamax, but it loads, similar to that. It more loads like a VCR that was only sold in Europe. One of those, Grundig VCRs that were only sold in Europe. And some of those actually loaded very similar to this. I just wish they were sold in the US too, but unfortunately they were never sold there. They were never sold here. I wish I could get my hands on one though. A Grundig VCR with a mechanism similar to this. But this is, and also, oh, did I forget to mention it's hi-fi stereo? It is hi-fi stereo. Let's do a little stop and let's do a little eject action. Unload. Heads actually stop when I press stop, which most VCRs I've seen do not do that. Let's eject. Head starts up again for some reason. Works very well. Love it. Alright. Let's take a look here. Come on. See, when I push this assembly moves. Like I said, that belt had to be replaced. It was slipping, and so it wasn't able to complete the loading process. And that's the only belt used in this. It's a brand new belt too. It's not a used old stock one. It's brand new that I bought online. Well, not for this model, but not for these VCRs, but just for like a DVD, for like the DVD players and all that. Let's take a look at the loading mechanism if possible. Very nice. See if I can maybe get a better view of it, if possible. Just wish this metal plate was not in the way of all this, so I can actually show you. It's the best I could do. You can see the cam underneath. Take a look at this little loading molder too. Focus. Very nice. Alright, let's try a little rewind action and see. Let's fast forward. Not fast, I'm not surprised. Not a fast forward. Same with rewind. Rewind. I'm gonna let it auto stop. And let me show you the counter. Alright, now fast forward. Has the very old vintage Funai display too. Let's do, oh, excuse me. Okay. Let's watch it eject one more time. Then I'll show you the picture quality and test the picture quality and see if it actually will work on this one. Alright, let's turn my flashlight on. Okay. Now let's test the picture quality and see if it actually works. Alright, so here's the video quality of it. I didn't erase this tape yet, so this is what it looks like right now. It may not look good because I'm playing it on a high 8 tape, so it's basically the equivalent of SVHS, so it's not gonna be able to play correctly if it's recorded in high 8. But I'm gonna do a test recording on this and see if it'll actually record in a good picture. But other than that, it should be working fine. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. You know what to do if you want to see more videos like this. Hit the like button, subscribe, and become a rewind, of course.